Alright fam, welcome back to the channel. Today is November 15th, 2021. It is approximately 3 p.m. Texas Standard Time, and as you can see, we are on a downtrend. We unfortunately bounced from this 4760-ish up here, and we are now on our way down to our support, which going to be around $4,500. So right now, I think if you wanted to sell a little bit, thin out your bag a little bit just to hedge against possible dump, that wouldn't be a bad idea, to be honest, because we are playing out the bearish narrative that I had explained was a possibility if we broke out of this channel, this rising channel that we've been in on the 4 hour for quite some time, a couple weeks, or actually more like almost a month. So right now you can see we are forming what looks to be a symmetrical triangle on the 4 hour, and whenever you see that, that means that a big price move is incoming, whether that be to the upside or the downside. It is really only up to the reaction of what happens. So we really don't know what will happen until it happens, unfortunately. So we have to be prepared for the worst. So that is why when we see we're probably going to see a weak rally up above the 4,500 mark. It'll probably rally to about 4,600, 4,650 possibly. If we see that happening, I will probably thin out my bag just a little bit, just to hedge, just in case it does break out of this to the downside, which is a possibility, especially given that Bitcoin right now, which I go to the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin right now is testing some critical support, which is roughly about 63,600, 63,500. That is a pretty critical support level for Bitcoin right now. If it falls below that level, we can expect it to dump further, probably to, let's see, probably around the 62,000. 61 to 62,000, I would say, is probably where we would go next, which is definitely not what anybody was hoping for. So right now, I am not really making any big moves. I'm waiting for a little bit of a pump up, so that way I can thin out my bags, and then I will just sit and wait. If it goes back up, I'll bull into the rally. If it goes down, then I'll wait until it looks like we are bottoming, and then I'll reinvest from that. So I foresee us unfortunately parachuting down to accumulate. So just keep in mind that this is a good opportunity to accumulate more Ethereum or more Bitcoin, because we still are bullish. Just as a correction, don't be scared. We're not going to go to 30K or anything like that. There's some very big support at some higher levels than that. So I don't think we're just going to free fall into some crazy price level at this point. So don't be scared. Just think with your head. If you think you need to thin out your bag just a little bit, then there's no harm in doing that. If you lose a few dollars because it pumps up, well, at least you were practicing good risk management. So just keep that in mind. I will be doing that once it gets to probably about 4,600 again. I will thin out a little bit and then prepare for a potential dump. And then if it does not, and we start seeing another run up, pretty strong run up with some confirmed volume, then I will be bulling back in. I'll put in exactly what I took out, and then we will continue from there. I still have a price target of above $5,000 for the next few weeks. I think this will just slow us down maybe by about a week. I know there's a lot of people who are questioning, it's now $4,500. How is it going to get to $5,000 anytime soon? Well, welcome to crypto. This is what happens. We get huge pumps, and we also get pretty decent corrections. So that's something that we have to take advantage of, rather than be fearful all the time, because that's not good for your mental health, guys. So be safe while you're trading. Make the right move that you think or feel is best. And I hope you have a good day. Peace.